Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe. Welcome to Mahdi English School. Myself Nilofer Miss and my subject is Mathematics. This video is for the class 2 and before we start our online lecture, let's see our today's quote. So which is quote today? Here is the today's quote. If you want to be more powerful in life, educate yourself. So here you have to educate yourself to be powerful into your life. So always learn and educate yourself as much as you can. So this is the quote of the day. So here we are continue chapter number 3, which is subtraction. So before we start our today's topic, let's see what we had learned yesterday in the previous lecture. So hope you remember what we had learned in the previous lecture. See, here is the topic which we had learned in the previous lecture. First, looking back, understanding subtraction better, example, and then it's a worksheet. So in the previous lecture, first we look back in the first standard what you know about subtraction. So let's see that first. In the previous lecture, students, we see this sign. You can see here. This is the minus sign. This sign indicates the subtraction. Do you know what is the meaning of subtraction? Subtraction, it means you have to take away from the thing. You have to take something back from the thing. So what it means? This sign indicates that you have to take back something. This sign you can call minus. You can call this minus. So let's see. In the first standard, you subtract the number using this number line. You can see here, this is the number line and it's called number line. You can see this arrow here and there are on this arrow, there are some numbers are written. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So my dear students, you already learned this number line, how to use it and how to subtract number and add a number using this number line. So I'll show you how to use this number line to subtract the numbers. So here is the example. Let's see how to subtract the numbers. For using this number line for the subtraction, you have to move to the left side because we are subtracting number. We are cutting the numbers in the subtractions. So we move in the left side. How? Let's see this. Here is the example, students. Let's see this. Here is the number 5 and we cut a number 2 from it. So how we cut through this number line? Let's see. Here is the number 5. You can see I circle it. So I move back 2 steps to the left side. So how? Let's see. See, this is the first step and this is the second step. So I move 2 steps back in the left side. So I get this answer which is 3. You can see I circle it. So here the answer will come 3. Hope you remember this, that how to use this number line. Here is the example. Hope you remember. You revise the lecture which I learned yesterday, which I taught you yesterday. So students, this is the using of number line to subtract the numbers. You have to go backward. You have to go left side so you can cut the numbers. So it will be a subtraction. Right students? See, I take one more example so you will be easily understood this. Let's take this. Here is number 9. See this, I circle the number 9 and now we move back 5 steps from the 9 number. Then we get the right answer. So let's move back 5 steps. So count students with me. 5 steps. 1. Here is 2. Here is 3. Here is 4. And here is 5. So our answer is 4. You can see after moving back 5 steps, we get this number which is 4. So this way we have to write down the answers. So here is the way to use the number line for the subtraction. Hope you revise this. So let's move. Students, after using number line, we have to subtract numbers. So how we subtract the number? I show you in the previous lecture, but let's revise it. How to subtract the numbers. First of all, I'll make 9 circle here. Just count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and here is 9 circle. So here is the 9 circle, students. We have to cut 5 circle from it. So we get our answer. So let's cut the 5 circle first. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here we cut the 5 circles. So I'll show you 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We cut these circles. So now we have this 4 circles. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So here is our answer 4. So let's write the answer here, which is, so this way we have to subtract the numbers. You can use this sum using your finger also. Take 9 fingers, right hand 5 finger and from the left hand 4 fingers, and hide 5 fingers of your right hand. So how much finger you have left now? Count your fingers and write down the answer. So this way you have to count the sum, solve the sums, and this is the subtraction sum. You can see this, here is the sign of subtraction. So whenever you see this sign, you have to cut the numbers. Here is the 9 and here is the 5. We draw the 9 circle here and here is the digit 5. We cut the 5 circle from it. So we have now 4 number, which is 4 circle. You can see this. So this way we have to solve the sums. Here is one more sum. So let's see this. Let's solve it. Here is the 2 digit sum. So as we use ones column first to add the number. So as it is here, we take ones column first to subtract the numbers. So here 6 and 5 is the ones column. So 6 minus 5 is equal to how much, students? So 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. Now move to the tens column. Here is the tens column. You can see this. Here is 5 and here is 2. So 5 minus 2 is equal to how much? So 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So here is our answer 31. So this way we have to solve the sums, and it will be very easy. Students, you can solve this sum by yourself. So hope you understood this and you revise it. This thing we had learned yesterday in the previous lecture. So hope you remember this. Now let's see the next topic. This topic also we learned yesterday. So here is the topic. Here is the two numbers are there, 45 and 34. We have to minus this number. We have to cut the numbers. So here is 45 and 34. So my question is, which number I take first? So as I told you in the previous lecture, let's take the big number first, and in this here the big number is 45. So we take 45 number first. So I write 45 here first, 45, and the second number is 34. So I write 34 here, and don't forget to put this sign. So this way we are going to write this number here in this format. 45 is a big number, so we take 45 first upside, and 34 is a small number, so we write 34 number here. So this way we are going to write numbers, and let's solve now. So first take 5 number and 4, which is the ones column. So 5 minus 4 is equal to how much, students? Just count into your book. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Now let's see the tens column. Here is the tens column, which is 4 and 3. So 4 minus 3 is equal to how much? So 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So here 45 minus 34 is equal to 11. So here we get the answer 11. This way you have to solve the sums, and hope you solve the sum by yourself without taking anybody's help. So Students, here is our today's topic, which is connecting addition and subtraction. How addition and subtraction is connected to each other. Let's see this today. This is our topic. Then number family. These two concepts are connecting to each other. Then examples. We understood this topic by example. Then I will show you the worksheet. So let's start our today's topic, which is connecting addition and subtraction. Which connection is there between addition and subtraction? Let's see, students, this topic. See, students, here is our today's topic, which is connecting addition and subtraction. So how addition and subtraction are connecting to each other? So let's see. Here is the two digit 5 plus 7. So how much it is? 5 plus 7, just count it, students. Yes, 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. So here I write the answer. 5 plus 7 is equal to 12 here. You can see this. Now here is the second sum. You can see I take this 7 number first here. See this. The digits are same. 5 and 7. Here I just swap the digits. I take 7 first and then 5. So how much it is together? 7 plus 5. Just count 7 number after 5. So let's count after 7 5 numbers. So students, let's start counting. 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So here we get the answer is 12. So I write here answer 12. So see, students, we get the same number here. 5 plus 7 is equal to 12 here, and here 7 plus 5 is equal to 12 here. So this is the thing we discuss here, addition. Now let's see the subtraction. See this. We get the answer 12 in the last addition. Here you can see 12 and 12. Both the sides I write 12. But here we discuss about this sum first. Here is the 12 minus 7. So how much it is? 12 minus 7, just draw 12 circles and then cut 7 circles from it. So which number we get? How many circles are left? So here we get the 5 circles. Now this is our first sum. 12 minus 7 is equal to 5. Let's move to the next sum, which is 12 minus 5. So which answer we get? Just make 12 circles and again just cut the 5 circles from it. Then how many circles are left? Okay, you get the 7 circles now. So here is the connection. You can see 12 minus 7 is equal to 5 and 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. If you notice one thing, here is the same number. The 3 digits are same. 12, 7 and 5. 12, 5 and 7. Here you can see this. 5, 7 and 12. 7, 5 and 12. So here some connections are there. Here is the 3 number. 5, 7 and 12. Here also you can see this. 5, 7 and 12. Here also is this 5, 7 and 12. So this is though like family, right, students? This is like family. All the numbers will stay together in one sum. Okay, here is the family number is 5, 7 and 12. And you can see this, all the family is in the box together. Whenever, whatever it is, addition or subtraction, the number family will stay together. Let's see this one more example so you can easily understand, students. Here I take one more example, which is 8 and 6. So we add 6 number into this 8. So let's start counting 8 after 6. Okay, let's start count. You can also count with me, students. So let's start 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So here we get the answer 14. Here I write 14 number. And for the next sum, you can see here through this red dot, 6 plus 8. You can see this, I just swap the numbers. Here is 8 plus 6. So here I write 6 plus 8. So how much it is? 6 plus 8. Just count, students, and write down your answer. I write my answer here. So here I get number 14. So you can see this, I get the number 14 as the answer, both the sides. Whatever it is, you can change the number of order. You can take 8 first or you can take 6 first. But answer will be same because this number is same, 8 and 6. Here also 8 and 6. So you will get the same answer. Here is the addition. Now let's check the subtraction for this number also. Here is the 14 number as we get the answer. Now here, students, make 14 circle into your book and then cut 6 circle from it. So you will get the number 8. So I write 8 here. You will definitely get this answer only, no different answer there. Now here I change here is 6, I take here 8. So hope you now easily write down the sum which answer will come here. So you have to cut 14 from 8. So here we get the 6 number. Just make 14 circle and cut 8 circle from it. So you will get this number. So you can see this here is 14, 6 and 8. These numbers are family numbers and you can see this here is also 14, 6 and 8. These three numbers are stay here together. In the next sum you can see this 14, 8 and 6. Here these three numbers are together also. Here you can see this 14, 6 and 8. This number is together also, and in the next sum 14, 6 and 8. The order is changed maybe, the order will be changed maybe, but the numbers, three numbers will stay together. It's called number family. This is the called number family. First we see addition and subtraction connecting, then it's called number family. So let's see how to connecting number family with addition and subtraction. Let's see the example, students. Here you can see the three numbers are there. Here is the family. These three numbers are family. 8, 5 and 3. This is the family numbers. So here is 8, 5 and 13. So this number I write first. So here first I do addition. Here is 8 plus 5. So how much it is together? 8 plus 5. So 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. You can count in your book also, students. Now here is, I just swap the numbers as I do before. 5, I take 5 first and then 8 second number. So 5 plus 8 is equal to also 13, students. So you can count into your book that how much it is 8 plus 5. So let's move to the subtraction. Here you can see I write here 13, which is our answer here. So 13 minus 5. So you have to cut 5 number from 13. So which number you will get as an answer? 8 number. And then in the last one, here is 13 and I take here 8. So you have to cut 8 number from the 13. So which answer you will get? You will get the 5 number as an answer. So here you can see all the family will complete after our answer. Here is 8, 5, 13. So here is 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. Here is also 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. In the next one, 13 minus 5 is equal to 8. So here also our family is complete. 13, 5 and 8. You can see 13, 5 and 8. In the next one, 13, 8 and 5. 13 minus 8 is equal to 5. So here 13, 8 and 5. So our family is complete in all the numbers. So I'll show you one more trick to complete this number, students. See here I have one more example to show you. So one easy trick is this 9, 16 and 15. So you can also write the missing number here from this bracket. Here is 9, 6 and 15. So you can write the missing number here from this box. So you will also get the number, you will also get the answer. So let's write the missing number and then solve it. If it is right or wrong, let's write this. Here 9, 6 and 15. So here 15 number is missing. So I write 15 here. In the next sum, which is 6 plus 9. So here also 15 number is missing. In the next sum, which is 15 minus 9. So I write 6 here because 6 number is missing. And here 15 minus 6. So here number 9 is missing. So I will explain to you that how I write that much easily. So here you can see 9 6. So here 9 6 is there. So this number is missing. So I write this number here. Now let's count. 9 plus 16 is equal to how much? So 9 plus 6 is equal to 15. You can count into your book, students. Now here 6 plus 9. So here also 6 and 9 is there, but this number is missing. So I write this number here. Now in the next one, here is 15 and 9. So 15 and 9 will come. So which number is missing? So here this number is missing. So I write this number here. So this family will complete now. In the next sum, here is 15 and 6. 15 and 6. So from this box, this number is missing, which is 9. So here I write number 9. So our family is complete now. So this way you can write this number, which is family number, students. Here is one more example for you. Here is 10, 1 and 9. So here these three numbers in the box you can see. This is the family numbers. So let's do something with it. Here is 1 and 9. So 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. So these three numbers are completed. This family number will come in the one row. Now the next one, 9 plus 1. So here 9 and 1 will come. So which number is missing? Here is 10. So 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. So here the three numbers which is family will come. Now here 10 minus 1. So 10 and 1 will come. So 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. So here you can see 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. So this way, students, in the last one, here is 10 and 9. So 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. So you can see these three digits are in the one family, you can see. So this way you have to write down the numbers. Let's see through the next example, which is 10, 3 and 7. Let's see how this works. Here is 3 plus 7. So this two digit will cover. N is equal to 10. You can count this 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. So here is these three family numbers are in the one row. Now here is 7 plus 3. So these two digits are covered and the answer is 10. So you can see these three digits are in one row, which is the family numbers. Now let's take this 10 number first. 10 minus 7. So here 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. So this family will complete here. Now again I take 10 number and 3 number. 10 minus 3. So here 10 minus 3 is equal to 7 here. So again the family is complete. Now this way we have to complete the family numbers, students. Let's see, this is the worksheet for you, students. So let's solve the worksheet here. Here is the three numbers. Here is the three number with us, which is 8, 4 and 12. So let's start addition and subtraction with it. So write down, students, with me. So first I take 8 number here and then 4 number. So 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. Now I take 4 number first here. So 4 plus 8. So 4 plus 8 is equal to how much? 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. Now let's take 12 number first. 12 minus 4. So 12 minus 4 is equal to 8 and 12 minus 8 is equal to 4 here. So this way we have to complete this family number. Hope you understood this family number, how it works, how we can fill the numbers. Let's take one more example, students. See this, here is one more example, which is 14, 9 and 5. So let's take 9 number first. I write 9 here. 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. You can see on the screen. So here is 9, 5 and 14. These numbers are in the one row. So this family is complete here. Let's go for the next one. So I take 5 first. 5 plus 9 is equal to 14. So here again the family will complete. 5 plus 9 is equal to 14. Now I take 14 number first. 14 minus 9. So how much it is? Just count into your book. Cut 9 numbers from the 14. So you will get the answer 5. Now I cut 5 numbers from the 14 and you will get the 9 number as the answer, students. So this way you have to count the worksheet, you have to count the sums. So hope you understood this concept and count the sums by yourself. Here I have one more example for you, students. So let's count it. Here is the numbers, which is 7, 13 and 6. So can you write, students, this by yourself into your book? Just write down these 3 numbers, which is 7, 13 and 6, and try to solve this worksheet into your book, and then I will solve this worksheet, this sum here for you. So let's start solve this. So first we write 7 number, 7 plus 6. So count, students, how much it is 7 plus 6 together. So 7 plus 6. So we have to count the 6 numbers after 7. So let's count it. After 7 number we start more 6 digits. So let's start 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So here we get the answer 13. So I write 13 here. Now in the next I write the next digit. I take 6 first here. 6 and 7. So 6 plus 7 is equal to how much? So let's count 7 numbers after 6. So let's start counting. After 6 number we'll start counting. Now 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So here we get the answer 13. So I write 13 here. So students, now I write 13 first. Here is the 13 number and minus 6 from it. So we get the answer 7, and then I take 13 and this number 7 first. So we get the answer 6. So this way we have to complete the family number, students. Students, here is the family number sum and it is very easy. You have to just write down the missing number. This is the shortcut way to write down this, and you can also count this way as I taught you. So you can easily solve this sum by yourself. Let's see one more example so you can understood better way. Here is the next sum, which is 6, 15 and 9 here. So here is the 3 digit is there, which is 15, 6 and 9. So now hope you understood this. Which number will write first? Let's see. Here is number 15, 6 and 9. So I write number 9 first. 9 plus 6 is equal to 15, and then I take 6 number first. 6 plus 9 is equal to 15. So here is our answer 15. Now I take 15 number first. 15 minus 6 is equal to 9, and then 15, 9. 15 minus 9 is equal to 6. Okay, so here is the family number, and if you notice one thing, here is all the digits are common. Here is 9, 6, 15, 9, 6, 15. Here is 6, 9, 15, 15, 6, 9, 15, 9 and 6. So the order of number will change, but the number will stay as it is in a one row, because these numbers are family numbers, students. So hope you understood this and there is no doubt into this. And this is the family number sum. Here you can see this. I again explain one time to you so you can understood this. This is the 3 family numbers, and you have to do 2 time addition and 2 times subtraction. So you will get the same number of this family numbers. You will get the numbers in this 3 digits only, but don't try to change this number. You have to use this 3 number only, because this is the family number. don't change the number, so you will get the correct answer, students. So hope you understood this today's lecture, students. Hope you understood today's lecture, and let's meet with the new topic in the next lecture tomorrow. So just write down the exercise in the homework, students. Let's meet tomorrow. Bye, students.